What is a psychic empath and how to know if you are one? Hi everyone, what is a psychic empath and how do you know if you're one of them? Normally people tend to always have a sense of empathy. When seeing someone who is too poor or needs help, it's natural for us to want to feel pity for him or her. But of course you must see them that way when they give some hints. It is also possible to solve their problems only when they talk to you. Slightly different from normal people who have a sense of empathy, there are them known as psychic empaths. A psychic empath tends to know others' feelings and emotions without them having to give signs or talk about them. In fact, some people disguise their problems and sadness by smiling or even laughing. Sure, for normal people it is difficult to know what the bottom in their hearts is. Although only a few people in the world are classified as psychic empaths, you might be one of them if you possess some of these characteristics. So here are some signs that you are a psychic empath. Before moving further, I hope you can help this channel grow by liking and sharing this video with your friends and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new here. Close relationships are problems. Having close relationships with others romantically must be something fun for normal people, but for a psychic empath, it can be a big trouble. Yes, you can simply acknowledge and understand your friend or partner's feelings. Sadly, not all their feelings about you are always good. There must be mismatches between you and your partner. When you know it, it must be very uncomfortable. That's why psychic empaths often fail in their relationships, no matter how understanding their partners are. Well, the main reason is that they can just know what others think and feel. Sometimes you feel lonely. Because relationships are quite hard to handle, being alone is the best choice you can make. But do you think that it's always a good thing? Of course not. This condition sometimes makes you feel lonely also. No one can be your close friend, and it's not because of them. You're the one who feels not comfortable with them. Well, if this is a characteristic you feel aside from your high sense of empathy, it can be a sign that you're a psychic empath. Make sure to handle it well so that your life can be more meaningful. Always care with others. You always care about others around you. You find it difficult to leave others behind when they have troubles. Even when they don't talk to you, you just know it. So it's also disturbing if you can't help them at all. Being in crowds is a trouble. Imagine you're in public places and understand what people feel only by seeing them slightly. Sometimes it's quite annoying. Moreover, you also can't let yourself be in trouble and always want to help them. It can be disadvantageous for you mainly if you're in a rush or don't have money. Some empaths even experience themselves being hungry just to help others, but they forget to take care of themselves. Well, what do you think of this video? If you have any opinions regarding this topic, don't hesitate to let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to follow our subsequent video updates. Thanks for watching.